Sports Gaming Universe, we're going to be pranking. We're doing an air horn prank.
Oh yeah, if my mom comes, we're not going to prank her. Wait.
And there's the car that we're going to...
Watch her.
Watch this, guys. We didn't get them that time. Oh, there's one more car. Guys, look at that car. That's who we're fooling next.
It's not working.
Let me see it.
It's not working.
Let me see it. Hold the camera.
It's out.
Damn, it's out.
We did too many stuff.
Guys,
So we're
the
gonna...
air horn is out.
Don't put that close to my face.
And it's zoomed all the way in. Sorry, guys. But we can't do no more air horn videos, but here's a video of the air horn.
You want to do ding dong?
And it don't blow. See?
Now let's go watch my dog.
But I'm gonna go. Well, I'll fuck your. Guys. And I'm gonna buy you. I'm gonna buy another one. Stop. Hold on.
Guys,
Hold on.
this guy said go.
Hold on.
This guy just said go get your ass in the car and I take him off.
Are you going in, Graham? Well, guys, I guess that's all for this video because this thing broke. Bye.